Hi, I'm just here working away on your Can-Am Outlander 570 XT 2018. So you had wanted the rear seals replaced on your rear differential because you said they were leaking, and for sure they are. So even before I took the axles out, we had fluid on this side, and we had fluid on this side, and we had pretty dirty fluid down there. And once I get a few things apart here, and I get a good look at that input seal on the front of the differential, I can see that that's leaking really bad. And when we go in here and I lift up on the bottom of the yoke, then we can for sure see that it doesn't matter how many new seals I put in there, that is still going to keep leaking because you have issue with, I would say, the bearings in the case are bad. I also want to take this apart and have a look at the sealing surface on that yoke just to make sure that's in good shape. But for sure you have an issue there with your bearings in your case. Doesn't matter how many seals I put in there, that's not going to cure that leak. So now we're looking at removing the differential anyway to do the seals, but we're also going to be splitting the case and pulling that apart and putting new bearings in it, and I'll have to just check out the internals and make sure there's nothing else that you need in there. Hopefully there's not. Anyway, if you have any questions, please let me know, and I'm sure we'll be talking soon.